People have asked one big question for over 100 years. If the universe is growing, what is it growing into? No one has a clear answer, but what scientists found will shock you. The part we can see is called the observable universe. It stretches 46 billion light years in every direction, but many experts think the real universe is far bigger. Some say it may be 10 to the 23rd power to 10 to the 30th power times larger than our view. Most of the universe sits outside our cosmic horizon. Light from those places will never reach us. We live inside a tiny bubble of space. Everything outside stays invisible forever. Einstein said the universe might have no edge. Hubble showed it is always expanding. Modern science proved the expansion is speeding up. And some physicists think there may be no outside at all. Today, 4 main ideas try to explain what lies beyond our reach. Some point to many universes. Some suggest higher dimensions. Some say universes bounce and collide over time. Others say the universe bends like a loop with no outside. This is the journey to the very edge of existence. Stay with this story because these truths will change everything you think about reality. In 1917, Albert Einstein shared a new idea about the universe. He said the universe could be finite, but have no edge, no wall, no center, nothing to bump into. Space could curve back on itself like a loop. Einstein's math showed something strange. The universe might act like the surface of Earth, but in higher dimensions. You could travel forever and never find an end. He used a cosmological constant to keep the universe still. But this idea would not last long. 12 years later, new evidence arrived. Edwin Hubble saw galaxies moving away from us. The universe was not still at all. It was expanding, and that single discovery changed everything. In 1929, Edwin Hubble studied the light from faraway galaxies. He saw every galaxy was moving away from us. The farther the galaxy was, the faster it moved. This meant space itself was stretching. Hubble's discovery shocked science. If the universe is expanding, what is it expanding into? Is there an edge, or is the question wrong? This became Hubble's law. Distance controls speed. It proved the universe was once smaller and younger. Go back far enough, and everything meets at the Big Bang. And if the universe has an age, then there must be a limit to how far we can ever see. A line we cannot cross, no matter what. The observable universe reaches about 46 billion light years in every direction. This limit exists because light from farther places has not had enough time to reach us. This creates a cosmic horizon, an information limit, not a real wall. Beyond it, stars shine and galaxies move, but their light will never reach Earth. The universe is 13.8 billion years old, yet expansion stretched space to 46 billion. If this is all we can see, how much more lies beyond? Modern scientists say the total universe may be 10 to the 23rd power to 10 to the 31st power times bigger than what we can see. There are regions so far away their light will never reach us. Not today, not ever. Think of standing in a dark room with a small flashlight. You see one tiny circle of light, but the rest of the room is still there. You just can't see it. Most of reality is hidden because of space-time rules, not walls. This means almost everything in the universe will stay unknown forever. We live in a tiny bubble surrounded by a much bigger unseen world. So what could be out there in that hidden space the light can never reach? In 1981, Alan Guth said the early universe expanded extremely fast in a tiny moment. This idea is called inflation. A later idea called eternal inflation says this expansion never fully stops. It keeps creating new bubble universes all the time. In this view, our universe is just one bubble. Around us could be an endless foam of other universes, each born from the same inflating space. Some bubbles may have different laws, different forces, or different dimensions. If this is true, the answer to what's beyond our universe is simple: more universes without end. But another idea suggests these other universes might be even closer than we think. In the early 2000s, string theory suggested our universe sits on a large sheet called a brane. This brane floats inside a bigger space with hidden dimensions we cannot see. Other universes might sit on their own branes, stacked close to ours in this higher space. It is like living on one sheet of paper while other sheets lie just above or below you. They are close, but you can never touch them or see them. String theory says the universe needs 10 or 11 dimensions, but we only feel 4. Other branes could be near us in the higher bulk, but still impossible to reach. Only gravity might move between branes, which is why gravity feels weak in our universe. And some scientists think these hidden branes might even crash into each other, shaping new worlds. In 2002, scientists Paul Steinhardt and Neil Turok suggested the cyclic model of the universe. They proposed that two giant branes move through higher space and slowly crash into each other. Each collision creates a new Big Bang, starting a fresh universe. In this idea, our Big Bang was not the first beginning. It was one event in a long chain of repeated collisions. Each cycle may last trillions of years, with expansion, aging, and slow return. This model removes the idea of a first start. It says the universe always existed in endless cycles, and beyond our universe may sit the next one, waiting for the next great collision. Many physicists think space-time curves back on itself like the surface of a sphere. In this idea, asking what is outside the universe is like asking what is north of the North Pole. The question has no real meaning. Think of an ant walking around a balloon. It can walk forever and never find an edge. The space is limited in size but has no boundary at all. Our universe may work the same way. Space could be finite, yet have no outer wall and no outside space. Expansion simply means points inside the universe move farther apart. There is no empty area being filled. But even this clear model ran into a major problem in 1998, when astronomers found something new that changed the picture again. In 1998, scientists saw distant supernovae and found the universe is speeding up. A strange force called dark energy pushes space apart faster over time. Because of this push, many galaxies we see today will move out of sight forever. Future people will see a much emptier sky. Dark energy creates a limit we can never cross. Even with endless time, most of the universe will stay unreachable. In 2025, the James Webb, Euclid, and Roman telescopes study early light and dark energy. They look for clues in the oldest signals from space. These tools can see across billions of years, but some answers may stay hidden. We may never know what lies beyond our cosmic limit. Scientists agree that the true universe might be larger than anything we can measure. Some parts of reality may stay unknown forever. Maybe the real mystery is why the universe allows us to think, explore, and ask these big questions at all. The big truth is that the universe lets us ask questions we may never answer. 4 ideas fight for the top: multiverse, higher dimensions, cyclic worlds, or no outside at all. Some questions break down because our rules of time and space stop working. Our cosmic horizon may hide truths we can never reach. What lies beyond may stay unknown forever. Our best telescopes look toward the far horizon, searching for old light and hidden clues. We found expansion, dark energy, and ideas of many universes and higher dimensions. Some mysteries stay unsolved because reality has limits. If this story opened your mind, hit subscribe for more space truths. Tell me which theory you believe explains what lies beyond.